Good afternoon, everyone. Heavy early snows across the Middle East, Yemen, which is south of Saudi Arabia, snow-covered mountains, Algeria, roads cut off by heavy snow, Kazakhstan, Central Asia, blizzard, whiteout conditions, early deep freeze in Siberia, so cold they closed schools, images of incredible sun halos. The first week of November, heavy early snowfall in Iran, and now 200 millimeters of rain going to be dumping on the Persian Gulf. All the while in Marrakech, the climate change conference, you need to be talking about global cooling. And an incredibly beautiful image here of the supermoon in the Middle East. And please remember to press that subscribe button. Yemen, not a place you would ever expect snow and ice in early November, but the mountains of Sana'a covered with snow. Area here on the map for you, 15 degrees north latitude. It should not be snowing down there. It's only 2 degrees. The average is 25 degrees. That's 23 C below normal temperatures. And jumping up to North Africa, Algeria, incredibly heavy, rare snows blocking highway, fatal accidents, parts of the entire country cut off from snow. And here's the area on the map for you right near the Med. They're actually calling the army out to help with snow plowing efforts because nobody is ready for this snow this early in the year. Jumping over to Kazakhstan, blizzard, whiteout conditions, roads closed, highways shut down. Bit closer up here for you. This is what you would expect in middle to late December, if not January. These snowfalls are a month to 2 months early. And then we jump over into Siberia, an area where you expect it to be cold in the winter, but not minus 28 Celsius in the first weeks of November. Closing schools already because it is so dangerous for students to go outside in this cold. Yet at the same time, sun halo images coming out of the area, and the beauty of nature is just unsurpassed. Mesmerizing shots. This would be one of those times where you wouldn't mind putting on the thick clothes to get out to watch this. Another jump further south of Kazakhstan, near Azerbaijan, northern Iran. First, heavy, incredible snowfalls. This is back in the last week of October. It wasn't mere centimeters of snow, it was almost a foot. Another image for you here. The area Ardabil, northern Iran. And at the same time, coming down 200 millimeters of rain through the Gulf area. Wider out here. And the explanation for all the floods across the planet and these unusual early snows that are far above normal can be explained easily by the cloud mystery and Sven's work on decreasing magnetosphere, allowing more cosmic rays in, increasing the cloud cover from 15 to 18,000 feet. We're going to see more intensification of this going forward. The grand solar minimum has commenced, in my personal opinion. And when we look at Iran again, November 12th of last year in 2015, they had the heaviest snowfall in 50 years. This seems to be a trend. This will be one of the areas on the globe that will continue to increase snowfalls, heavier, earlier snowfalls from every year this point forward. And as the COP22 commences in Marrakech, they ought to be talking about global cooling and mitigation measures to start adjusting our food growing across this planet. And with all that, I wanted to leave you with another wonder of nature, the supermoon over the mosque here in the Middle East. Stunning image. And speaking of crop losses, please take a moment to jump over to Trade Genius, talk with Bob. He's trading on the grand solar minimum with the grains and the softs. That's coffee, cocoa, and sugar. He'll be happy to talk to you about how they're planning to trade for the future. And as always, thanks for watching. Hope you got something out of the video. These snows across the Middle East, Abnormal to say the least, and we're still talking about CO2 warming when clearly all the indicators are pushing cool. Please remember to subscribe to Adapt 2030, and I will keep more stories like this coming to you.